What's up, good people? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Denise Joy. During this series, I'm going to help you become way more confident because this is Design Potential. Join me for every episode as I show you how to unlock the potential and transform any room in your home. This attic transformation was for a teen girl, but the rest of her family, now they can't stay out of her space. They told me she keeps kicking them out.
I mean, look at the difference it made just to have, wow. And I didn't know this is, okay, that really works. What? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, this is amazing! This is outstanding! Wow!
Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Denise Joy. This is not a musical. Rewind. Key number. That's how you feel when you put your foot in the design of a room. Thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you learned a lot. Well, when you feeling really good, like you really did something well, why do we make the ugliest faces? At least I do. I'm always like, it can't just be me. Thank you for watching my outtakes, my crazy antics. Love y'all. Bye. I know. Sometimes you look at your room and you think, just throw the whole room away. But trust me, every room has great design potential.